it's Satoru RB, and today's video I'll be teaching you guys how I run the HBM's nuclear tech mod in Pojav Launcher. First, let's go to Zarchiver, copy paste this mod folder.jar, and let's go to the Android and make sure to scroll down all the way to the bottom to see the Pojav Launcher, click it, and you will see .minecraft and mods, and paste the file there. If you cannot find the .minecraft file, it's probably hidden, so click the three dots and settings and file list. You will see a show hidden files option, because if it's off, the file .minecraft will not show, but if you keep it on and go back, you will see it's visible. As for this part, if you cannot find the mods folder, create a new folder and name it mods. And yeah, that should be it for this, and the mod should be running. And now let's start our Pojav launcher and see if this works.
Fui eu!
It worked. So that's basically it. It's that simple, guys. And just a quick reminder, you should definitely like and subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one, and I'll be enjoying this month for coming war crimes again. Subscribe and then